Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are building something from Destiny. I had an Instagram follower suggest a prop for me and I thought, why not? I've made a ghost before, not a video for it, but before I started making YouTube stuff, and it's a pretty simple build. She, of course, wanted the most complex of them. Sagira ghost shell. It is got a lot of complex kind of shapes to it, so I'm going to template it out for you and try and make it. So let's make the Sagira ghost shell from Destiny. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, very pleased with the way he turned out. It was a lot of pieces. I got tired of cutting the same parts over and over again. Just this little bitty diamond has 4 pieces and there's 8 of them, so 32 just of that one part. So definitely a lot harder than the triangular one back there that I showed you at the beginning. I did put a puck light in here. I used them on my boogie bomb and my impulse grenade, but it's remote controlled. If you want to see me install one of those in one of these things, you can watch one of those videos. But I think it turned out amazing. I used hot glue sticks because these actually hover, and I can't make them hover. You could use wire or something else, but I thought a little transparent there, and it kind of radiates a little bit of the light, which is kind of a cool effect too. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your Sagira, that ghost building skill, so much so that they ask you to make one for them to follow around and talk to you. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them much props. Kind of feel like he wants to get up close.